Hey there, air fryer enthusiasts! Today, I'm going to show you how to make perfect air fryer spring rolls at home. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these spring rolls are a game changer. So, let's get started. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need spring roll wrappers, shredded cabbage, julienne carrots, bean sprouts, thinly sliced green onions, and cooked shrimp or ground pork. For flavor, grab some soy sauce, sesame oil, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Oh, and don't forget a bowl of water to seal the wrappers. Step 1. Prep your veggies. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cabbage, carrots, bean sprouts, and green onions. Add the cooked shrimp or ground pork. Now drizzle in a tablespoon of soy sauce, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and sprinkle in your minced garlic and grated ginger. Give it all a good mix. Next, let's get wrapping. Lay a spring roll wrapper flat on a clean surface. Spoon about 2 tablespoons of filling onto the wrapper, near one corner. Fold the corner over the filling, then fold in the sides and roll it up tightly. Use a bit of water to seal the edge. Repeat until all your filling is used up. Now preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly brush or spray the spring rolls with some oil. This will give them that crispy golden brown finish. Arrange them in a single layer in the air fryer basket, making sure they don't touch. You might need to cook them in batches. Air fry the spring rolls for about 8 to 10 minutes, flipping them halfway through. Keep an eye on them. You want them crispy and golden. While they're cooking, let's make a quick dipping sauce. In a small bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of rice vinegar, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. Stir it well, and your dipping sauce is ready. Once your spring rolls are done, let them cool for a minute or two. Serve them up with that delicious dipping sauce, and get ready to enjoy. There you have it. Perfect air fryer spring rolls. Crispy on the outside, packed with flavor on the inside. Easy to make and even easier to eat. If you give this recipe a try, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more air fryer recipes. Happy cooking! Happy